In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refer a friend on Uber. If you've ever wanted to help a friend get started and pick up a little reward for yourself along the way, the built-in referral feature makes it simple. Start by opening the Uber app on your phone. From the home screen, tap Account. In this menu, look for a section that mentions inviting friends or earning rewards. Depending on your country and your app version, the wording may vary. Common labels include invite friends, referral program, or earn rewards. Tap the option you see to open Uber's referral area. That's where everything you need will be collected in one place. If you don't see any of those options right away, scroll through the account menu and check for similar wording, because the location can shift with updates. The goal is simply to reach the place where Uber displays your referral details. Inside, Uber provides two things: a unique referral code and a personal invite link that's tied to your account. The link is usually the easiest for your friend because all they have to do is tap it and sign up. The code can be copied and entered during sign-up. If your friend prefers typing, choose whichever method fits how you communicate. Now share your invite. You can send it over messenger apps, by SMS, or by email. If you're active on social platforms, you can post or DM your link on places like Facebook, add it to your TikTok bio, or send it through WhatsApp. When your friend signs up using your link or code and completes the required first ride or order, both of you may receive rewards or credits. Exact eligibility, reward type, and timing depend on local offers, so it's normal for details to vary by region and promotion. After you've shared, you can track how things are going at any time. Just return to the same referral section in the app. You'll see pending invites that haven't completed the requirements yet, completed referrals that count toward rewards, and any ride credits or cash bonuses you've earned. If a friend says they signed up but you don't see movement right away, give it a little time because updates may not be instant. That's all there is to it. Open the app and head to the referrals area, send your code or link through the channel you like best, and check back to watch your rewards add up. Thanks for watching, and have fun helping friends get started with Uber.